Hello traders. Today is the 10th of January 2012, and happy trading to you all. The time in London is 5 past 1 p.m. London time. In New York, 5 past 8 a.m. Eastern time. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you all. Guten Tag, guten Morgen, bonjour, bonsoir, mes amis. Okay, wherever you are, we wish you the very best. Okay, in the year 2012. Okay. For those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTWSYS008 traders, and our website is www.stochastic-magdi.com. For all trade, we use the 5% money management rules and apply stop loss in all trade. This video is for educational purposes only. It's neither a solicitation or an offer to buy or sell any financial instrument. It's very important. This is not a signal to buy. This is not an invitation, okay, to sell any financial instrument. Okay, very, very important. Now, the title of this video is about, okay, a beautiful pattern. A beautiful pattern. Okay. Before we proceed, this is about trading, of course. Trading, talking about futures, option, forex, okay, stocks, okay. There are various patterns, many patterns in the market. We have a Gartley pattern, a butterfly pattern, crab pattern, okay. We have a double top pattern, double bottom pattern, triple top pattern, triple top pattern, okay, triple bottom pattern. We have a head and shoulder pattern, an inverted head and shoulder pattern. We have a cup and handle pattern. We have a round bottom pattern, all sort of pattern in the market. But today I will talk to you about a beautiful pattern, okay, something that will make you happy, okay. If you have been losing for some time and you are frustrated because you are a new trader, you are learning, or maybe you are making a lot of mistakes, okay, and you couldn't handle your emotion, okay, you couldn't adopt a proper methodology, being disciplined and do it properly, okay, something to make you happy today. All right, so what is a beautiful pattern? Okay, a beautiful pattern. Okay, now before I continue with this video, I will talk to some of the traders. If you have been losing consistently, one of the reasons why, okay, traders are losing is because they are not drawing lines. So you are about to enter the trade, you wait for the candle to close on the time frame you are trading on and draw your trend line, draw your support, your resistance level, and your channel. Most of those traders that are losing do not draw the trend line and they do not trade the price. They are trading indicators. So instead of looking at the price, they are looking down. As a trader, look up. Okay, look up. So if you are looking down too much, looking at the stochastic, looking at the RSI, looking at the CCI, you are going to lose because you are looking at the wrong thing. You are trading the price. Your eye must be on the price. The indicators will give the warnings, but the price will give the signal. Okay, you understand it now? Okay, let's move on. Talking about a beautiful pattern. I have done some kind of research about beauty. Go to my Google as usual, Google Chrome, and you can see here, it's very interesting as a trader. Why are we talking about beauty? Now, beauty is not only that something that look okay, gorgeous, okay, is something that is good looking. It's not only that, it's about quality and satisfaction and pleasure. It's all in the beauty. So I do a bit of research here to highlight some key points, because as a trader, our first priority is the reward risk ratio. Okay, so the beauty that we are talking about is the reward risk ratio that we can get out of the trade. Is the trade reliable? Okay, do we understand the trade? Do we understand the setup? Okay, talking about this beautiful pattern. Okay, if it is a beautiful pattern, it will offer us the best, okay, reward risk ratio. Okay, and it should be also a high probability trade setup, and also it usually take place at the best place. Okay, best place, and also will offer, this is very important, okay, value. Okay, value. A pattern will fail when the fundamentals are not sound. So this is about the value, check the balance sheet, the cash flow, do your due diligence using the trading triangle properly like professional traders. Okay, this is it. So talking about beauty, we are talking about value, we are talking about quality, we are talking about reward risk ratio. So I did some of the research here. So here Google did it somewhere. Beautiful adjective, pleasing the sense of mind aesthetically. Now for us, we wanted to please our wallet, okay, to please our bank account, to please our trading account, okay, but also to offer us, okay, satisfaction, okay, of a very high standard, which means quality trade. So we don't want to trade any trade. The beautiful pattern are excellent pattern. They are quality patterns, okay, because they flow with the market pattern, okay. Very important. Moving on, checking the definition. Beautiful, having quality that delights the sense. It's not only the sense, it's okay, it's true, the sense, okay, especially the sense of sight, okay, and also excellent, wonderful, beautiful, okay, and so on. The quality that gives pleasure to the mind, sense, and is associated with such a property as a harmony of form, color, excellence, okay. Now the word that I want you to pay attention to is harmony. For us, talking about harmony in the beauty, we are talking about the harmony with the market pattern, aligning with the market pattern, okay. So we see a beautiful pattern should align with the market pattern, should align with the market trend, okay, should be in the direction of the market, not in conflict with the S&P 500, okay, timing together in harmony with the market leaders, okay. This is very important, in harmony with the fundamental and the technical. Also the key word here I like in this definition is a harmony of form, of color, excellence, okay. Truthfulness means that it's not a fake pattern, because there are a lot of fake pattern in the market. So you have to check the higher time frame, and to the higher time frame, and you will see that it will confer a bullish okay, pattern will take place at a value support level. But when we see a bullish pattern, a gorgeous, fake, false, a bullish pattern, okay, and we check the higher time frame is bearish, we are not interested, because we know that this is not a true beauty, okay, so to speak, okay. Talking about a beautiful pattern, the definition that I like, there's another one here, apart from the harmony, okay, there's another one that I like very much here, is the quality present in a thing or a person that give intense pleasure, okay, intense pleasure with the reward that you get out of it, the reward, that's for us, the reward, and deep satisfaction, okay. The key word I want you to remember is a deep satisfaction. Deep satisfaction. A beautiful pattern will offer you excellent, okay, reward for just a very tiny risk. Sometimes you take some of the trade, you just risk a few pips, and it works tremendously. These are a beautiful pattern. But the pattern I want you to pay attention to today is, okay, the double bottom pattern that is followed by a higher low. You see here, the double bottom pattern is a validation of support level. So the price was going down, down, down. The bear were in charge. Suddenly something has changed here. The sentiment has changed, or the fundamental has changed. The music has changed. So now the bear decided to take profit. This movement from here, the green one from here to here, these are not bullish, these are not bulls buying, these are profit taking. The bear who were selling, they took profit, so the price went up. So they say, okay, this is not finished here, the fundamental are not sound, it's not ready yet. They sell it again, price returned back down. Now the bull came back and joined them, so they are taking their profit. The bear that were in this session were taking their profit. The bull also joined them in this session, and all together they bought it. Now everybody, the sentiment has changed so much that the knot is broken. This is what I like to call the knot of the double bottom pattern. If the knot is not broken, the bearish pressure remain intact. So it's broken, we will acknowledge it, we don't chase it, we want it to retest it, or the price to give is a higher low. That higher low, this is what we call, okay, a beautiful pattern. On this monthly chart, you can see that each candle here is a 30 days candle, and the price for more than 60 days on this chart, okay, Apple stock on a monthly chart, okay, we can see that the price was going down and the bear were in charge of the market. Okay, let's highlight this section so you can see. So this candle here, 30 days plus another 30 days, that's 60 days people were selling. The sentiment has changed. They took profit for 3 months. Okay, price went up to the same spot where they sold it. They remember that it was the spot where they have their launch, the bear, so they came back again and sold it. Price returned back to the previous level, this level here, okay, to the previous level. Okay, the bull that were aggressive tried to buy, but the bear were not ready. They want a better support level. Okay, this support level, price going down, price looking for a better support level, this support level. Okay, so they brought it down to a better support level. They rejected this support level and pushed it down to a better support level. This time they were quite happy. The market is satisfied. They came out, the bull joined it, and the bullish momentum has begun. At this point in time, the price give a higher low. This is a beautiful pattern. after a double bottom pattern. Very often when traders are looking for double bottom pattern, we are looking for horizontal double bottom pattern, which means the bottom should be horizontal. It's not always like this. As you can see in this session here, the price, okay, did not give a horizontal double bottom pattern, but it gives what I like to call a diagonal double bottom pattern. The price was in fact in this declining channel. Okay, TSC traders, do you know now? Okay, ACC normally can go like this, but suddenly it came out, give a higher low here. This is a beautiful pattern. I hope you enjoyed this video about a beautiful pattern. Okay, that you will make a better trading decision. Okay, in order to cream the market consistently. Remember, if the fundamentals are sound, the beautiful pattern can fail. But the key point is that the risk-reward ratio is very excellent, because as soon as the price returns below the night, we must close the trade. That is what we call a market capitulation. If you do not know about market capitulation, we invite you to go to www.youtube.com, check our channel, Joy Trio channel on YouTube, and check for that video that is the market capitulation, and understand what is market capitulation. At this point in time, you will enter the trade, use the TSTW24, TSTWSY008, or TST whichever tool you are using, your own tool, your value tool, to enter it. As soon as the price returns below this level, which means you have a very tiny stop loss, you are controlling it. If it fails, you must close the trade, because your intention is to come into the market with, if you are swing trading, of course you will use a higher stop loss, of course, very important, and you will manage your trade, of course, very important. And the beauty is that this pattern is gorgeous, is offer the best reward ratio. But if the music has changed, do not be the last person to remain there thinking that it's a beautiful pattern, it must work, because if the fundamentals are sound, the investor will put their money, and it will become what we like to call market capitulation, as we have seen it recently for the Euro USD. Thank you for watching, and we will speak to you very soon. We are the TSTWSYS008 traders.